Ever dreamed of exploring the wild but worried about getting lost? This video is for beginners and will equip you with essential knowledge to stay safe and survive in a jungle or forest alone. Whether you're an avid hiker, a camper, or simply curious about self-reliance, understanding basic survival skills can be a game changer. This guide is specifically designed for beginners to make wilderness survival accessible and less daunting. First things first, gear up smart. Always carry a well-stocked first aid kit for emergencies. Navigation tools like a map and compass are non-negotiable. For shelter, think about a lightweight tarp or emergency blanket. A reliable fire starter is crucial for warmth and cooking. And don't forget water purification tablets or a filter. Finding or building a basic shelter is your top priority for protection from the elements. Look for a naturally sheltered spot, like under a large tree or rock overhang. If building, aim for a lean-to or A-frame structure. Ensure it's off low ground to avoid water pooling and away from potential rockfalls or dead trees. Water is life. Always prioritize finding a clean water source. Look for streams, rivers, or collect rainwater. Never drink untreated water directly. Boil it. Use a water filter or purification tablets. Staying hydrated is critical for maintaining energy and cognitive function. Knowing what to eat is vital, but proceed with extreme caution. Focus on easily identifiable edible plants like berries, if you're 100% sure they're safe, nuts, and certain roots. Avoid anything you can't positively identify. When in doubt, don't eat it. Safe foraging practices mean taking only what you need and leaving the rest. To avoid getting lost, learn basic navigation. Use natural cues like the sun's position, moss on trees, though this can be unreliable, and star constellations. If you're lost, signaling for rescue is key. Create a signal fire with lots of smoke, use a whistle with 3 short blasts, or lay out bright, contrasting ground markers. Encounters with wildlife can be startling. The best defense is awareness and prevention. Make noise as you walk to avoid surprising animals. If you encounter a dangerous animal, remain calm. Don't run, as this can trigger a chase instinct. Make yourself look big, make noise, and slowly back away. Carry bear spray if in known bear territory. In any survival situation, staying calm is your best tool. Panic can lead to poor decisions. Develop a clear plan. Assess your situation, prioritize needs, shelter, water, fire, food, and execute your plan step by step. Practice deep breathing exercises and positive self-talk to manage stress. Remember, every challenge is a chance to learn. To recap, wilderness survival for beginners comes down to preparation, resourcefulness, and a calm mindset. Essential gear, shelter, water, food, navigation, and wildlife awareness are your pillars. But the most important tip? Practice. The more you train, the more confident and capable you'll become. Stay safe, stay smart, and enjoy your wilderness adventures.